All right, y'all, about to load up the truck. Talked to Best Buy. They said since I'm a Total Tech member, I have 2 months. I have within 2 months to return my gaming monitor. Now, I already did one exchange for the Alienware 3432. I got this. And now, your boy gonna go get the 48-inch C3. I'm glad that I went to Best Buy today, man. Your boy went to Best Buy, and somebody seen me in there, and they were like, "How you doing, man? How you like the monitor? How you like that LG Ultra Gear 45-inch monitor?" I said, "Man, I want to return it, but online they say I can't return it. They say, well, you a Total Tech member. If it's been within 2 months, you can return it as much as you want." I'm assuming they said as much as you want, but they say you can return it. I said, "I can?" I said, "Yeah." Then I told them the issue. So the issue is, it ain't nothing wrong. This is my second return. The first monitor I bought was the Alienware 3432. Then the second one is the LG 45-inch Ultra Gear. Nothing wrong with those, but it's just the resolution I'm not happy with. And those monitors have great refresh rate. And those monitors are good monitors. They, I don't care about 240 hertz. I want the resolution. And the games I play are sports games. They not nothing, no fast-paced games that requires 240 hertz. So the guy at Best Buy said, "Look, dude, you can. I highly recommend you get the LG C3. But if you go, you go on 4K, you're gonna be at 60 frames per second." I told him I don't give a damn. Shit, let's go. I learned my lesson. Gaming monitors, it's not for me. Like I said, man, I didn't know what I was getting into, and I'm just glad I'm a Total Tech member. Because Best Buy, man, Best Buy come through in the clutch for you, boy. I done returned so many movie projectors, it don't make no sense till I finally got the right one. So, one thing I can appreciate about the Curve 800R, but yeah, just the Curve in general, man. It fit real good right in that corner. But this right here, the more I center it, the more space I have in the back, and the more is up here. See, watch. I don't like all that gap in the back. This is bad right there. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. All right, y'all, so this is my setup right here. All right, so I couldn't get it right there in the middle like the Curve, but I mean, from this position right here, we good, okay? And I can watch TV with my wife too, so. right, y'all. Taking the TV back to Best Buy. Taking it back to Best Buy. The TV. It's too big. I gotta get that 42 inch. All right, y'all. I'm back at the house. Your boy got the 42 inch LG C3, and man, I tried to make it work. I didn't think about the viewing distance from the TV to where I was sitting at right here. So, man, yes, I got the smallest one they had in that C3 series, and then the C series, and that's the 42 inch. So, we good, man. We are good. So this is my gaming chair right here. It have a few speakers on the back. So I had a TV. I have the audio set to where sound coming from the gaming chair and the TV.
3-point specialist that doesn't need a lot of shots to rack up points. That's why he's top 3 in percentage.
Yeah, man, so that's my gaming chair. Speakers in the back. I'm reclined. Got my legs stretched out. I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm very, 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 very happy with my purchase. I love how I love how 4K look on here. I love the audio on here. I love the magic remote. I love it, man. I want to say thanks to everybody out there that recommend me to, to switch it up, because I had no business with a gaming monitor, especially without a PC. So, and this was only, I think, $800 and something. I don't know. All right, y'all. I'm out. Peace.